Hare Krishna. Hope you are doing well. This is an introductory video, a precursor notifying you of some solutions to IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics 2025 that will be coming your way eventually. And it's to tell you how those solutions are structured. Essentially, it's a convex combination of two things: academics and a little bit of spirituality. So, from the academics point of view, we are going to see how to build some intuition, how to be mindful of pitfalls, errors that we can make while solving the exams in question, solving the questions in exam, I mean. And the third thing is the theory, a brief look at the theory to ground our solution. So it's going to be around this and some other things as well. One important thing that I want you to note and also try to have an eye out for such things. Try to look for such questions. These are what I'm calling general questions with specific answers. These are very special questions in competitive exams because you will be given a structure. Suppose I'm just making it up. X follows this and this condition, and X behaves in so and so way. What can you tell me about some behavior or property of some value of X or something coming from X? Now, this is a general set of conditions that are given about X. Actually, let me take an example. You have X from the class of normal distributions. You don't know the parameters. Okay, that's why it's general and not specific. But you are being asked a specific question: does X minus mu by sigma whole square follow chi square 1? It's a yes or no question, it's specific. There's no general vagueness in the answer. So this is a general question with a specific answer. And the way you may not know everything about normal distribution, but somewhere at the back of your mind, you may know, okay, I remember that the standard normal distribution square is equivalent to chi square 1. Now, observe very carefully. Mu over here is 0, sigma over here is 1. So in this case, x minus 0 by 1 is the square of this is indeed following chi square 1. So it is true for this kind of setup. But the point is, because this was a general question, so if it is, it can, and it by design can have only one answer, only one answer. So if a specific setup in this general question is leading you to a particular answer, that has to be the only possible answer. It's just by design of the question. And why this is so important is because many questions we will see are these general questions with specific answers that if you try to solve by theory will take time, but if you can intuitively think of specific cases, specific situations that can lead you to an answer, the answer will hold for all situations. So it's important to know this, be aware of this. Maybe when we look at actual questions, I'll call it out and you will understand better what I mean in the future. And the other aspect is the spirituality aspect, which is going to be a little bit beyond the syllabus, but with the motivation to help you deal with perhaps some kind of stress that you may be facing. After all, it's a competitive examination and a lot of hopes and aspirations are tied. That goes without saying. I said it, but it goes without saying. So, to me, it's incomplete, or I'm not doing justice if I just address the academic part and leave out a part which is perhaps down the line will be appreciated as more important than the academics itself after a certain point. So, in order to do justice, at least to myself, I need to present both of them together. And that's what I will attempt to do, a humble attempt. And this video was all about explaining what is coming your way next. And I hope it can help you a little bit. Take care. Hare Krishna.